If your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max freezes or becomes unresponsive, a force restart can often resolve the issue. This is like a soft reboot and won't erase your data. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Second, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo appear. This may take 10 to 20 seconds. If your phone is connected to a charger or computer, disconnect it before starting. This method works in most cases and is identical to force restarting iPhone models from iPhone 10 onward. Use a force restart when your iPhone is completely frozen, apps crash repeatedly, or the screen is unresponsive. Before force restarting, try charging the device or closing apps using the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom. Also, ensure your iOS is up to date, as the iOS 18.1 update from August 2025 reduced freezing issues. Excessive force restarts can potentially shorten battery life slightly, so use it only when necessary. If the issue persists after a force restart, contact Apple support.